Hey guys, today we're going to make these super cute picture frames using candy hearts that I bought last Valentine's Day for 25 cents a pack. I've got big ones, small ones, and we're just going to mix them up and make a really cute frame for Valentine's Day. So first you're just going to want to get your hot glue gun out. You're going to want to get some cardboard. I'm just using some old boxes. And then you're going to need a plastic baggie or some transparency paper to keep your pictures protected, and then you can wash them and do whatever you want with them. You know, like if your frame gets dusty. All right, so get a bowl or a plate and trace a circle, or any shape you want for that matter, onto a piece of cardboard. Also trace it onto a piece of transparency film, and then also trace it onto your picture. We are just going to cut these out, these circles, and then we're going to assemble them using a hot glue gun. Now for the back of the frame, you're going to have to cut a piece of cardboard which will support your frame so that you can sit it upright. Also, I'm going to be using a piece of ribbon to keep it from falling flat. You might have seen this on the back of picture frames before. Just going to use a piece of ribbon from the inside of a shirt, you know, the ones that hold it on a hanger. Glue it right down in two different spots. One spot will be on the circular cardboard, and then you're also going to glue it onto the piece of cardboard that serves as your stand. You can space your hearts any way you want, and you can use all the same color or mix it up, make it fun. For one frame, I'm going to use big hearts in two colors, and then I'm going to add these cute little pink hearts on top of the purple ones. For this frame, I'm using all kinds of colors, and I'm only going to use small hearts. You can space them out first if you want, so that you're sure the design will work out before you start gluing. That might be a smart idea. I hope you enjoyed this project, and thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate.